Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to get curly hair. Firstly, look for sulfate-free products formulated to retain natural oils. Opt for hydrating ingredients like coconut oil, glycerin, and aloe vera. Now, avoid regular daily towels. They cause friction that disrupts hair, cuticles, and lead to frizz. Use a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt to pat hair dry. Always lock a moisture after showering and apply hydrating leave-in treatment while hair is wet, and use a wide-toothed comb to distribute evenly, focusing on lengths and ends. Lightweight leave-ins for wavy hair, and rich, creamy formulas like Curl Nourish Butter Cream for curly or coily hair. Apply a small amount of curl mousse or gel to damp hair, and Curl Construct Creation Mousse, which for soft, lightweight curls. Now, before using hot tools, always apply a heat protectant to prevent frizz and damage. And use a diffuser attachment on your blow dryer. Dry hair upside down on low heat and gently scrunching to boost curl shape and volume. Air drying prevents heat damage and retains moisture, and you can also apply a serum or leave-in conditioner before drying. Wrap hair in a soft towel to maintain shine and prevent frizz. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.